visit our website at www.supportstaffordhospital.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook searching for Support Stafford Hospital. We're also on Twitter at Staffs Hospital. You can also join us on our public march on the 20th of April starting at 2 o'clock in Stafford Market Square.